Hello and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel, Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to turn off subtitles on Netflix app. So to do this, it's very easy. You have just to go to the Netflix app. And of course, you should have an account. Open any movie that you want to watch. And after that, as you can see, there is an option called Audio and Subtitles. You have just to click on it. And the first option on subtitles is off. You have to click on off. And like that, there will be no subtitles on your movie. So I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Don't forget to like this video and see you in the next one.